The future of smart kitchens. 2025 trends you can't ignore. The kitchen has always been the heart of the home, but in 2025, it's becoming the brain as well. Welcome to the era of smart kitchens, where artificial intelligence, automation, and design innovation converge to transform the way we cook, eat, and live. The concept of a connected kitchen is no longer futuristic. It's here, and it's smarter, sleeker, and more sustainable than ever. In today's modern kitchen, AI-driven appliances are not only learning your cooking habits, but also suggesting meals based on your health data and grocery availability. Imagine a refrigerator that tracks expiration dates and suggests recipes to minimize waste, or an oven that uses sensors and AI to adjust cooking times and temperatures automatically based on the food type and portion. Even smaller appliances like smart blenders and coffee machines are now voice-activated and app-controlled, giving users full control from anywhere in the home. This automation is not about laziness. It's about precision, efficiency, and freeing up mental space in our daily routines. Design trends in 2025 reflect our growing desire for multifunctional, minimalist spaces. The smart kitchen of today often doubles as a workspace, wellness zone, and even entertainment hub. Sleek surfaces hide charging stations, fold-out cutting boards, or touchscreens embedded directly into the countertop. Modular kitchen islands can be reconfigured depending on need. Dining area by day, food prep station by night. Storage has gone vertical, and motion sensor drawers keep things sanitary and efficient. Lighting, too, has gone smart. Task lighting adjusts to ambient light and even your mood, thanks to dynamic LED strips and customizable color zones. Sustainability is another core focus. Smart kitchens are reducing water and electricity usage with connected faucets, energy monitoring systems, and compost-friendly waste processors. Food waste is being tackled not just through better planning, but through smart composting bins that can sort, dehydrate, and even suggest garden use for scraps. Reusable container systems with RFID chips track pantry contents, syncing directly with grocery apps to prevent overbuying. Induction cooking is also seeing a resurgence, offering both energy efficiency and a cool-to-touch surface that minimizes the risk of burns, ideal for households with kids or seniors. Health integration has also become central. Smart kitchens in 2025 connect with wearables to track hydration, calorie intake, and even vitamin levels. Based on this, your kitchen can suggest what to cook, how to cook it, and when. Built-in nutrition scanners and allergen detectors are helping households make safer and more informed food decisions. AI diet assistants, integrated with meal prep stations, can adjust portion sizes for individuals in the same household, ensuring that everyone, from athletes to diabetics, gets exactly what they need. This isn't just smart, It's personal, tailored, and deeply human.